Do you have an old laptop like this that doesn't support Windows 10 or Windows 11 or say any other Windows operating system? So in this video, I will share some easy methods that will add life to these laptops. Before proceeding, let me first tell you that this process does not include buying any hardware devices like RAM or SSD. This method is purely software based. So let me introduce this killer operating system from Google known as ChromeOS Flex. ChromeOS Flex is a cloud-based operating system for old Macs. It is fast, easy to use, and secured. All you need is a pen drive and 30 minutes of your time and add life to these laptops. Just go to this website and follow the steps mentioned below, and within no time, your dead laptop will be back to life.
So the process is very simple. There are very important things that you need to know before proceeding. First, you need is a Google Chrome. You have to simply right click and run it as an administrator. Now you have to download a Chrome extension, Chrome Recovery Utility. So you simply click on the link and install it. So as you can see, I have already installed it. The next step is to simply click on the Chrome Recovery Utility. As you can see, this is the complete process you can use to create your bootable pen drive for ChromeOS. Simply click Get Started. Now select a model from the list. On this, you have to select Google Chrome OS Flex, followed by the developer unstable version. So you can simply now click Continue, and you can select your pen drive. Make sure the pen drive is at least 4 GBs, and you can simply click Continue and click Create Now. So now this will download the Chrome OS Flex, and it will create a bootable media for you, and you can simply use it to boot it on your Mac or any laptop you can choose from. So we are in the final stages of the recovery image creation. So some things that I want to tell you is, so there was this problem that I was facing, and that the writing process was stuck on 0% and it was not moving forward. So there were some mistakes that I was doing. So I just want to make sure that you do not make those mistakes. So the first mistake was that I was using an Edge browser. So I was using the Edge browser to create this bootable installation media. So the process was stuck on 1%. So in order to successfully complete this process, so there are some things that you need to keep in mind. First, don't use an Edge browser. Secondly, always use a Chrome browser in your administrator mode, right? And the third thing is, when you have installed your extension, this extension, when you have installed it, make sure you first close your browser and then restart it, right? So these are some things that you need to keep in mind to avoid those errors. So once this is complete, the next step will be to boot Chrome OS Flex on my system or my old PC or my old MacBook. So first I will show you for the MacBook and then for the PC. So this process is very simple. Now, once this process is over and your bootable media is ready, you simply need to restart your system and open it in the boot mode. So for my PC, I have to press F12 while restarting my PC, and that will take it into the boot mode. If you are using a Mac OS, you simply need to press and hold your Option key, and that will take you to the boot menu. And I will show you the following process. So as you can see, the recovery media is now ready, and you can see the contents of this pen drive. Let me show it to you. And these are the, these are the contents of the bootable media. Now you simply need to insert your pen drive on your Mac or your PC that you want to install Chrome OS Flex into, and simply boot it into the boot menu, and then you can simply proceed with the installation.
Share this with your friends with old laptops, and I will see you tomorrow.